Hello YouTube, TJ here. I know I've been gone for a while. It's been about 2 days, 3 days. I've been burnt out, so gotta take a break now and then. Anyways, we're gonna get into some solo leveling drawing. You know, I got a comment recently. People been saying, "Yo, you've been doing a lot of blue lock arts. Can you do some other enemies?" So we're gonna do solo leveling today. Alright? So hopefully y'all still enjoy this. I'm not sure if all of y'all on my channel are solo leveling fans, but we're gonna get into this. Alright guys, so starting off we're gonna draw a circle. Make sure that circle is round and nice. You can use a shape if you want. Then we're gonna draw a line in the middle of that circle. As you can see in the video, then we're gonna draw one across. That should be under the eye, or around the eye. We're gonna draw another one, that's gonna help with like the nose and everything. And that last one that was just drawn will help like the shoulders, as you see in the reference. So yeah, we're gonna go over it, sketch it out. Y'all will see it put into work. Follow along best as possible. And yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, so as you can see, the guidelines truly help the face structure. Now we're going to move on to the body structure of Sung Jin Woo. Well, the body posture, we're going to follow this as best as we can, as the reference shows. Now this is a neat little trick I like to use on drawing arms. It's like a skeletal system. Think of it as attaching bones to each other. It helps a lot, and when it's time to like outline it, it's like you're adding flesh to the bone. As you can see in the video, the arm is coming together nice. Now we move on to the legs. That's easy. So yeah, we're done with the structure, we're done with the posture, we're done with outlining it, and now we're gonna move on to the inking. Remember guys, once you get the outer shape and everything, it's pretty easy to move into the details. So that's what we're gonna do now. Now just stick around and watch me outline this masterpiece. I won't be doing too much talking when inking. It's basically just following the reference. Yeah, so everyone just enjoy this process and I'll get back to you real soon. yeah, guys, so as you can see, we're basically done with the inking. Now we're going to move on to the shading. I'll be using the number 6 bit ink pen to speed this process up since it covers more ground. I hope y'all enjoyed this process, and I'll see you soon again. Alright, guys, and we're done. It came out pretty great, if I do say so myself. I hope it came out great on your end also. That's if you were drawing, and I hope it came out pretty great if you were watching. I don't usually talk in my videos, but y'all been giving me some positive feedback, so I think I'm gonna continue. Without further ado, guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. If y'all want to see more drawing like this, be sure to subscribe. Also, I do take requests, so if y'all have any suggestions, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. I think I'll be doing more tutorials on, different topics other than Blue Lock, so let me know what y'all think about it, especially my OG fans that are strictly here because of mostly Blue Lock. Let me know what y'all think about it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and please, just leave a comment. I always reply. I'll catch y'all in the next one, guys. Love you. Peace.